Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp in Avatar World. First, let's gather our ingredients. Head over to the designated fishing area within the game. Make sure your character has a fishing rod ready to go. You'll want to catch at least 3 shrimp to prepare a delicious meal. It's a simple process, and you'll be cooking in no time. Just cast your line and wait for a bite. Now that you've caught your shrimp, it's time for preparation. Open your inventory and find the freshly caught shrimp. Select them and look for the clean option. This action will automatically remove the shells, making your shrimp perfectly ready for the next step. It's a quick and essential part of the process, ensuring your meal is enjoyable and easy to cook. With your shrimp cleaned, let's get cooking. Head to any cooking station or kitchen area available in your Avatar World home. Place the prepared shrimp onto a pan or a designated cooking surface. Cook them for about 30 seconds or until they change color to a vibrant pink. This indicates they are perfectly cooked and ready to be served. It's a fast and satisfying part of the process. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your culinary creation. Carefully transfer the perfectly cooked shrimp onto a plate or a serving dish. Feel free to get creative and add other in-game items, such as some fresh vegetables, to make a complete and balanced meal. Take a moment to savor your delicious, homemade shrimp dish in Avatar World. Great job, chef!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.